Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Features also include heated seats, heads-up display, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitor. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2019 Infiniti Qx50. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.